The Flip app is a platform that allows users to earn money by leveraging their social media influence and completing simple tasks. Here's how you can make money on the Flip app. Join the platform. Sign up for an account on Flip, a social media shopping platform that connects influencers with brands. It's available on mobile devices, and registration is free. Browse available campaigns. Flip offers various marketing campaigns where brands pay users to promote products on their social media. You can browse through available tasks like posting specific product recommendations or reviews. Complete tasks and earn rewards. Once you find a campaign that suits your interest, follow the instructions and complete the tasks, which could involve posting on your social media accounts. In return, you will receive rewards like points or payment based on the brand's offer. Referral program. Flip also has a referral program where you can invite others to join the platform. By referring friends and gaining followers, you can unlock higher earnings, bonuses, and exclusive tasks. Get paid. The more tasks you complete, the larger your social following, the more money you can make. Flip compensates users with cash or gift cards once you've earned enough points.